Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Prime Video downloads on Android. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Amazon Prime Video and hit search. Locate the Amazon Prime Video app from the search results. Tap on the install button to download and install the app on your device. Once installed, open the Amazon Prime Video app. Sign in to your Amazon account using your credentials. Navigate to the content you wish to download. Select the movie or TV show you want to download. Look for the download icon, which usually looks like a downward-facing arrow. Tap the download icon to begin downloading the content. Wait for the download to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. To access your downloaded content, go to the download section within the app. Here, you will find all your downloaded movies and shows available for offline viewing. You can watch these downloads without an active internet connection. Remember that downloaded content may have an expiration period, so check back regularly. If storage issues arise, consider deleting older downloads from the download section. To delete a download, tap and hold the title, then select the delete option. Enjoy your downloaded Prime Video content at your convenience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.